Hey guys, back to the new video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the Nintendo Switch Lite and the Nintendo Switch, and we're gonna compare all the different the pros and cons. And this video, I'll show you in the end of this video, I'll show you guys which one is right for you. So let's get started. Hey guys, Fahim here from FahimTech, help you master your knowledge in technology. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Nintendo Switch and the Switch Lite and which one is best for you. So first, we're going to talk about the prices. So the regular Switch is MSRP is $300 and the Switch Lite is $200. So there's $100 difference, but thing is $100 difference is a big deal for like, lots of people. So for guys, if you didn't see me, I got the Switch with the original one. So I got this one with the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe bundle. I'm gonna put that on the iCard if you want to see that. But thing is, if you the Switch Lite is mainly for portable only, so you cannot dock it. So that's the main cons with that. You cannot dock it. It's only handle. So I think the Nintendo's plan is to replace the 3DS. So you know the 3DS, 2DS, 2DS XL to replace those and just so you can play all those great games because at the same price the new 3DS XL, I know their awful name, but for the same price you are getting a much more powerful console. So first you're gonna take the play mode. So on the Switch, on the regular Switch, you can play on TV mode, tabletop mode, and a handheld mode. And for the Switch Lite, it's only a handheld only. So the Switch you can play any game, but there's some game that will not support the Switch Lite. There like Mario Party. I think there is one more. So this the Labo, it will not support. And I think there's a few more game. So that's why if you're buying this, just check in the back of the game card and see if it's supported. Then there's the Joy-Con. So you know all the Joy-Con. There's HD rumble, there's a motion control, and you can take the off of the regular Switch. But the Switch is only one hand. So as you can see in the picture right here, you cannot take this off. Those are just gonna stay together. So you cannot take them off like the regular Switch. It's only the one thing about the Switch, both the Switch is the Joy-Con drift. The lots of people are having the Joy-Con drift because I got this for like 2 weeks, so I didn't have it. But like I think the people who play most of the game, so that's why I got extra controller. But if you have this, you need to get warranty or you just need throw this off. The regular Switch, you can just get a new Joy-Con. The Joy-Con goes for only $80. So you're gonna scroll down and we're gonna go to the, as you can also the dock, you can dock it to a TV, the HDMI that is included, and this can output the regular Switch can the display 720p, but on the output to TV can up to 1080p. So that's another thing. And the Switch Lite is obviously you can't do anything with that. So the screen is a 6.2 inch touchscreen, and the Switch Lite is a 5.5 inch touchscreen. So yeah, there's a different. Okay, so now as you know, there's a two version of the Switch. There's the old one that have a terrible battery life. Don't get that. Now is to get the Switch with the red box. The red box will have 4.5 to 9 hour battery life, and the Switch Lite is 3 to 7 hours. So it is better than the old one, but it's not better than the large one. So then is a game. Yeah, I already talked about that. So now as you can see that is pretty much it. But thing is, in the end of the day, it just depends on the price. So if you cannot afford another extra $100, just don't get it. I'm telling you, this is only to replace a 3DS. So you'll able to play most of the Switch games, so the Animal Crossing, Mario Kart, but things you cannot play on a TV. So or if you have a friend, okay, I guess it's a friend. Okay guys, so that is the joke. So guys, if you have no friend, it's good, then get this. But if you have any friend that are gonna come over, they cannot play on the Switch because first of all the screen is small, and then you need to buy extra Joy-Con. That goes for $80. So if you're spending a Switch Lite for $200, getting a Joy-Con $80, and I don't know, probably Mario Kart, that's a $60. So that's a legit like a $340. So guys, if you're planning to do that, just get the Switch. It's only $300 and it comes with the Joy-Con. So or if you buy the only Switch and the Switch Lite and the Joy-Con is $280, and this is only $20 extra to get the normal Switch that have more better life. It can connect to a dock. There's a Joy-Con, so if a Joy-Con div, you can just get a new Joy-Con. And this is more better, guys. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys enjoy, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new. And see you guys next one. Until then, peace out.